viewers, in this video I am replacing a expansion tank container on a 2006 Mini Cooper S. First thing I did is I removed the hose clamps on the top and bottom of the expansion tank container. I removed the 10mm nut that's holding the expansion tank container in place. I use a long flat screwdriver to pry out the expansion tank container lower hose. Replace the expansion tank container. Installation is the reverse procedure. Replace the lower hose and clamps. Align pins to the pinholes to seat the expansion tank container in place. Replace the upper hose and clamps. Screw in and tighten the 10mm nut. Fill the expansion tank container with the recommended coolant. Remove funnel and check for maximum level. Refill if necessary. Turn on engine and let the coolant circulate. Refill if necessary. Smoke is the residual coolant that's being burned from the engine. Please don't be alarmed. Replace and tighten the expansion tank container cover. Please subscribe, and I thank you for supporting my video.